Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to do a factory reset on ASUS VIVOBOOK PRO. So first, remember to back up everything important on your laptop. If you don't know how to back up, then find a video on our channel, because I did one. Now, in search, type in factory reset and you have reset this PC. Click on it and then reset your PC, reset PC. Now you can either choose to keep the files, but it's only personal files. Every app and settings will be removed, and remove everything. This is a true factory reset, so click this. As you can see, it's getting things ready. How would you like to reinstall Windows? Local reinstall or cloud download? Download and reinstall Windows or reinstall Windows from this device. It's for you to decide which one you want. And then next. We can't restart PC on battery power, so I need to plug it into the charger. And now click reset. Now it's preparing and the device will automatically restart. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.